Introducing the 2023 Skoda Karoq AMB 2.0 TDI, a powerhouse of a vehicle with 115 horsepower and a sleek grey exterior. This estate Jeep boasts a 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission for a smooth ride every time. Packed with comfort and accessories like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity and remote boot release, this vehicle is designed for ultimate convenience. Safety features like multiple airbags, parking assistance and anti-collision braking ensure peace of mind on the road. With luxurious interior trim, exterior styling like roof rails and spoiler, and energy-saving features like the stop and start system, this Skoda Karoq is the total package. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and manufacturer servicing, you can drive with confidence. For more information on making this powerhouse your own, contact us at Michael Moore Motors or visit our website michaelmoore.ie. Drive away in style today in